Hey everyone, welcome back to Tidbit Takeaway Discount Specials. Today I'm excited to share awesome discounts for 3 great sites. These discounts are always up to date as I update the codes regularly. If there are no updates, I will simply take down the video. So let's dive into today's Tidbit Takeaway. First up is Wildflower Cases, a popular online retailer offering a wide range of stylish and protective phone cases. Their cases are known for their unique designs and durability, making them a favorite among fashion-forward phone users. To get a discount on your next order, use the code WF15 at checkout to receive 15% off. If you are looking for a new, fresh-looking phone case, I would recommend having a look at Wildflower. Next is Babbel, a language learning app that offers courses in a variety of languages. Whether you're looking to learn a new language for travel, work, or just for fun, Babbel has a range of courses to help you achieve your language learning goals. You can get a discount on your subscription by typing Deal31 and you will get 87% off the entire 6-month plan. So if you are looking to learn to speak conversationally, Babbel is worth a look. Lastly, there's Shopify. Shopify is an online selling platform that simplifies creating and operating your own store. It's incredibly popular among those looking to work from home and start their own business, thanks to features like dropshipping. You can get your first month of Shopify for just $1 using the link in the description. That's all for today. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know which other discounts you're on the lookout for. Thanks for watching today's Tidbit Takeaway.